Hey guys, Tony Blackman again. Still at the site where I'm going to be selling these 3 lots for one of my clients. For those of you who don't know, I am also a realtor in the state of Ohio. So I'm just going to be assisting my seller, the owner of these lots, on marketing these properties for sale. So again, just wanted to let you know, we are actively looking for houses to sell. I just got finished talking to a neighbor of this particular property. She gave me a little bit more information on this property, and she was able to help me get some information as to who the owners are on this house right here. So hopefully she can get me in contact with the owner and we can make them a cash offer to purchase in 30 days or less. So just wanted to drop in with you guys. Give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.